Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming access points and environment. First, check that your primary phone number and recovery email are correct. This matters because OTPs go to those channels. Next, make sure your device clock and time zone are accurate and that you have a stable network connection, since time drift or offline mode breaks OTP validation. Once done, go to your Google account security settings to view two-step verification status and which methods are. Now you request and validate the one-time passcode. Try SMS first. If it fails, request a voice call. Sometimes carriers drop SMS. If you use an authenticator app, make sure the account seed or QR code was not changed. Resync the app if time-based codes are off. Clear the authentication app cache and restart the device to eliminate transient errors. If the code still does not arrive, wait 1 minute between attempts to avoid rate limits. Then request a fresh code. To complete access, use backup codes or a registered security key if you have them. Those always bypass SMS. If none exist, use the account recovery form and provide as much accurate history as possible: dates, devices, common locations, which helps Google verify you. Make sure to try signing in from a familiar device and network. Systems trust known environments. If problems persist, attempt the process on a different network or device as a key troubleshooting step, because carrier or device issues often block OTP delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.